Alright, man, here we have a club car, gas club car, that whenever you would hit the gas, it would take about 5 seconds. I'd probably say about 2 or 3 seconds before the engine would turn over. You could hear it trying to turn over, but it wouldn't. The first thing you want to do is put your voltmeter on DC 20 volts or 200, whichever, and check your battery voltage. Main positive, main negative. And you want to see what you got on the voltmeter. You got 12 volts. You want to put a key in there and hit the gas. That way you can put the battery under a load. And then you want to check voltage again and make sure that the battery is not dropping out too much. So we got 1235. We're hitting the gas and drop down 11.4, which is good. Now, next thing you want to do is check voltage on the solenoid itself. I'm gonna go to the big post. You want to I put my black lead on the ground, which is I just stick it into a wire, and then always check it, make sure we got voltage. And you want to put it on the side where the battery wire comes straight from there, go to the solenoid. You want to hit the gas, and that right there tells you that the wire there is good. Then you want to go to the other side of the solenoid, the one that engages. This is the battery side. This is the part that engages once you hit the gas. Alright, so when you hit the gas at 11:30, we can go back to the battery side, and you want to see, you might have a couple 0.2, 0.3 difference, but you don't want to see half a volt or a volt difference. If you do, then you know you got a solenoid bad. And then what you want to do is you can check voltage at your starter. Just follow the wire back to the starter and check voltage on it. And when you hit the gas, you should get the same thing. If you hit the gas and you get the same thing, then you know that your starter's bad. But one of the simple ways to do it is just take you a wrench and just jump across the 2 big posts on the solenoid. And if you jump across the solenoid and the starter turns over immediately, then you know it's not a starter issue. If you jump the solenoid and it takes a 2 or 3 second still delay, then you know you got a bad starter, probably bad armature problem. Alright, man, stay tuned, man. If you got any questions, let me know.